solar energy is the energy that is harnessed by the sun. Although the sun is millions of kilometers away from Earth, if we could take advantage of all the heat from the sun, there was more than enough energy to provide all the energy needed for the entire Earth. There is enough energy to provide enough power for 10,000 planets. Although you can use solar energy for a variety of appliances and other items, you should realize that this is different than using that energy to produce heat. Two different principles are used with solar energy. If you want to produce hot air or hot fluids, solar thermal principles apply. However, if you intend to generate electricity, photovoltaic principles are used. If you want to generate solar energy, 4 components are required, including a battery, a charge controller, a solar panel, and an inverter. It is the solar panels that receive radiation from the sun and use it to charge the battery. The charge regulator then ensures that the battery charges as it should. The essential equipment will probably be solar panels and, generally, the energy produced in watts. These panels can be connected in several ways, although parallel or series wiring is usually done to increase amperage or voltage. So, are there any benefits to using solar energy? Yes, there are a variety of amazing benefits to using solar energy. Many people around the world are already using this type of energy to supply electricity. Some of the benefits are as follows: creation of new high-tech jobs, protection of the environment. Solar energy is abundant, free, and renewable. Fuel supply is diverse. Fast and inexpensive deployment. As long as the sun is there, we can have the energy that solar energy produces. There is so much energy there, more than 10,000 times the amount of energy we need is available. You should learn as much as possible about solar energy to learn about the great benefits offered and how your life will change for the better if you choose to use solar energy instead of using other energy sources. If you have a business or a home, you will find that solar energy can offer many advantages for both. Solar energy is one of several alternative sources of fuel energy that is cheap and renewable. From a business perspective, this can increase results tremendously. From a home perspective, using this can reduce expenses. As solar energy is friendly to the environment, you do not have to worry about toxins or pollutants of this type of energy, and you do not have to worry about the issue of global warming.